Welcome to the GeoGebra lesson where we will learn how to insert a graphics into GeoGebra and to find the equation of the curve. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do here is go to this icon up here and we're going to select insert image. You will see that the pointer will change into a plus sign. Click anywhere on the graphics view. Now I need to look for where my graphics is. Mine is on the desktop, so you can change the options here. I'm going to select this graphics file. It's displayed here. I'm going to click open. So I can see the graphic is already inserted. I'm going to go now to move, and I'm going to click and drag this image right here and position it on the two axes. Now as you can notice here, the graphics here is a bit solid, so you can't see through it. I can't see the lines at the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on the image, go to object properties. I'm going to go to style, color, and I'm going to reduce the opacity. What I'm doing here is I'm reducing the pixels so that I can make the image lighter so that I can see the lines on the background. Okay, let's close this, and you can see right now the opacity has been reduced by 50%. Now I can see the lines. Now what I'm going to do right now again is I'm going to move this object, this graphic again. I'm going to place the arc in such a way that it starts from 0, 0. Okay, so I'm going to just reposition this a little bit. Now let's put in some points. Now for the purpose of this exercise, I'm only going to put a few points, but you can put more so that your equation will be even more accurate. Click this button here, and then you can put a point here. I'm going to put right one at the vertex. I'm going to put another one here. Okay, so if you notice, I'm just going to put 3. You can put more, okay, along this line. So once I have these 3 points here, I need to go to the view option and open the spreadsheet. Okay, I need this spreadsheet here. Now as you can see, I have these 3 points here. I'm just going to copy the coordinates. So the first one is 0.54. The second one is 2.6, and the third one is 4.56, and the corresponding y are 1.74, 4.94, and 1.72. Next, I'm going to select all these points. Once selected, I'm going to right click again. Now keep in mind, using a mouse here will make your job a lot easier because you have the left click commands, the right click commands. Okay, so once again, click and drag all the points, right click and create a list of points. Now as you can see here, I have the list, the points here as a list. Now I'm going to go to input right at the bottom, and I'm going to start typing FitPoly, FITPOLY. Now even before I finish, the option is here. I'm going to click FitPoly. Now what this means is I know this is a curve, so it must be a polynomial equation. Okay, so I'm going to select the first option, which is it wants me to put in the list of points, and over here the list is list 1, so I'm just going to type list 1, and then I'm going to move to the second option. It says the degree of the polynomial. What it means here is a quadratic equation has a degree of 2 because of x squared, so I'm just going to put 2. Once I'm done, I'm just going to click enter, and you can see the curve is formed. It's quite accurate. If I had put in more points, this curve would have been a lot more accurate. And as you can see here, I'm going to click and drag this. The equation of this curve, which is quadratic in nature with a maxima point, is minus 0.8x squared plus 4.05x minus 0.22. So as you can see, the steps are quite easy. So just follow the instructions step by step, and you will be able to complete this task. Okay, so please make sure to go through this video again, stop at the relevant points, and then just follow the steps that I've given. Okay, so hope this helps you in completing your task. Thank you.